How to add Grow A Garden Notifier bot to Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Discord and on the left side, click on Discover. After you've clicked on Discover, on the right side, you will find Search button, which is at the top right corner of your screen after you click on Apps. There, search Grow A Garden Notifier. Click on it. After that, click on Add App. Then scroll down and click on the server you want to add it to and press on Continue at the bottom. Press on Authorize. And please confirm you're not a robot. Click on I am human. After that, you're good to go. It has been added to your server. This is how to add Grow A Garden Notifier bot to Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.